Good day, everyone. Daniel Fairless with the Portable Smart Lab back with you today for another video. Today we're going to be doing one that you can do in your house or your close by neighborhood. For this, you're going to need a smartphone with a camera. We're going to be identifying some plants and using an app available on either in the Apple App Store or Android. It's available on both. So plant names come in, they're usually in Latin. There's two parts to it. The first part is the genus or the group name, and then the second part is the specific name for that plant, so that identifies that individual species within that group. I'll show you a little bit more when we get into the actual app. So once you've downloaded the app, what you're basically going to do is to, like I said, go around your yard, house, anywhere you have plants or there are plants, and you're going to snap some pictures of them. Then using the app, you're going to identify that specific plant. So I'm going to show you a little bit about what that looks like on the phone, what the app looks like and how it works. So here I am in the Apple App Store. With my phone, and you can see we're going to search up garden answers. And when you do that, just type garden answers into the search bar. You're going to get this garden answers plant ID app. So we'll go ahead and open that, take a look at it. And it's very straightforward install. I've already installed it, but it's not overly complex. You have some different options right here on the first menu once you get it installed, but we're going to be working with this take a photo of your plant. So if you're going to take the photo, what you're going to do when you first start, you click the option on the left and go around and just individually snap photos. They'll be saved to your phone, and you can either use them right then or click on them all at a later date. So if I go to my photo album right here and I type in recents, you can see I have a list. These are plants that I found just close by either my yard or close by the neighborhood. So we'll just click on one of these here and I'll show you a little bit about what we're talking about. So once you do this, you can move the picture around, you can scale it, the image as needed. And once you have what you think you want, as far as a good picture, you just click choose right there. Send this to the website. And then you get some different options right here. And if you don't see the particular option that you that matches your plant, you can try taking, I had to take a couple of different pictures, different angles, sometimes a little more zoomed in, a little farther out, just depends. But you can play with it a couple times, it doesn't matter. And once you think you have your plant, you can click on the details right here. And right here, you'll see we have Ficus benjamina. So that telling us that it's the genus is Ficus. So this is a ficus plant. The specific type is a benjamina. And then when you scroll down a little bit right here, it'll usually give you a little bit of detail about the plant, specific growing conditions, how to take care of it, water requirements, etc. So you can learn a little bit about each one. So we'll go back to our results, click back one more time, go back to our photo album, look at a different one here. Here's a nice one. You guys might recognize what it is. Go ahead and click choose on that one. Again, it sends it to the website. And we'll click details right here. And we have a perennial sunflower. This one here has a YouTube video that goes along with this. We also, once again, have our scientific name, once again in Latin, Helianthus. angustifolius, something along those lines. Sorry, my Latin is not great. Gives us a little bit of history about it, as like I said, as well as a video. So all of these different results, when you click on them, may vary. There may be a little bit of information. There may be a lot of information. So it just depends on what the plan is. It also identified trees. Click down here on the tree. And we'll find our specific one. I think actually this one right here. No, I don't like that one. So I'm going to go back to the results. I'm going to click again. So once you get to the description, if it doesn't fit, you can just go back and, like I said, either take a different picture, take multiple pictures, and just try it out. Just experiment a little bit. So basically, you have a phoenix palm or a Phoenix canariensis, and it's native to the Canary Islands east to across Central and North Africa. It's a palm known as one of the most durable palms in the world. It can withstand freezing temperatures for a limited amount of time. And this tree prefers full sun and a balanced palm fertilizer. So like I said, a little bit of tips as far as the care of your plant or tree in this case. So anyways, that's a little bit about how the basic app works. And once again, you can find this either in the App Store if you're on Apple, or in the Android store if you have an Android phone. Same features either way. Nothing very much different about it. I happen to have obviously an iPhone, so this is what worked for me. So that's a little bit about the plant identification app. It's a fun app. Get you out of the outside and looking around, like I said, either your yard, close by neighborhood. If you do go on a walk somewhere, make sure you practice, maintain safe practices, wear a mask, maintain social distance. I want everybody to stay safe while they're doing this. But like I said, lots of fun, a chance to get outside, learn a little bit about the different plants, to be able to identify them, a little bit about the care of them, and just know a little bit more about the world around you. So I hope you enjoyed that video, and we look forward to seeing you in the next one. Thank you very much. So you'll need to download that app, and I'm going to show you what that app looks like here in a minute, and then you'll be good to go. So first of all, let's talk about plant identification.